Hello and how are you friends? All of you are most welcome in your loving one-person family with my humble heart, Codes Energies. Come on guys with me and enjoy the place. Later I will carry you soon in a new journey of compassion. I am your soul traveler, Codes Energies. Okay friends, please listen me carefully as today I am going to tell you about few beautiful, memorable, learnable quotes. Sure, they will help you to practice compassion. So now let's go. Compassion is the wish to see others free from suffering. Compassion is not a relationship between the healers and the wounded. It's a relationship between equals. If you want others to be happy, practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion. Compassion is the greatest form of love humans have to offer. The simplest acts of kindness are far from more powerful than 1,000 hearts bowing in prayers. Our task must be to free ourselves by widening our circle of compassion, to embrace all living creatures and the whole of nature in its beauty. Compassion is not weakness, and concern for unfortunate is not socialism. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Compassion is the basis of morality. Compassion is to look beyond your own pain, to see the pain of others. When you have compassion, surrender to the power of it. It's lead you to love and acceptance. Compassion is an action, word with no boundaries. Compassion automatically invites you to relate with people because you no longer regard people as a drain on your energy. You have not lived today until you have done something for someone who can never repay you. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. One person of integrity can make a difference. Compassion is the keen awareness of interdependence of all things. Compassion costs so little and yet means so much. A kind gesture can reach a wound that only compassion can heal. Kindness and compassion can build bridges that nothing else can. We can only heal when we are willing to acknowledge our own pain and open ourselves up to the pain of others. The purpose of human life is to serve and to show compassion and the will to help others. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. The dew of a compassion is a tear. Compassion is not just feeling with someone, but seeking to change the situation. Compassion and tolerance are not a sign of weakness, but a sign of strength. Compassion is a currency that leads to true wealth. Love and compassion are necessities, not luxuries. Without them, humanity cannot survive. Compassion is antidote to anger. Kindness and compassion can bring out the best in others. The only way to come out the labyrinth of suffering is to forgive. To be rich in friends is to be poor in nothing. Our prime purpose in this life is to help others, and if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them.
In last, I will suggest you that one most important thing, an act of kindness might take only a moment of our time, but when captured in the heart, the memory lives forever. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you, goodbye, good luck, Kurt's energies.
Don't you think we could be different if we could just take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows, feel the wind rush it blue, hear the music, take the groove. Don't you know all I'll ever really wanna be is a connected high, you and I, pinnacle, climactic vibe. Show me yours, I'll show you mine, you don't have to pretend we're shy. Let's forget the 9 to 5, I just wanna feel alive. Take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows.